Everything begins in lush ginger farms, where fresh, mature ginger is harvested using powerful agricultural machines. The freshly harvested ginger is carefully loaded into heavy trucks. This is for transportation to the processing factory. After reaching the factory, every truck is weighed before unloading the fresh ginger. Meanwhile, fresh garlic is harvested from nearby farms. Advanced harvesting machines lift thousands of bulbs from the fertile soil.
The freshly harvested garlic is transported to the factory in large food-grade trucks.
At the factory, the garlic is unloaded and prepared for processing. The selected ginger and garlic are thoroughly washed using purified water to remove soil and impurities. Special machines remove roots and unwanted portions before further processing. Powerful peeling machines remove the outer skin while preserving the natural freshness inside.
The peeled ingredients receive one final rinse for maximum cleanliness before grinding.
Finally, the ginger and garlic are cut into smaller pieces, making them ready for the next stage of processing. The clean ginger and garlic pieces enter powerful industrial grinders that transform them into a coarse paste.
Next, the coarse mixture passes through fine grinders to achieve a smooth and consistent texture.
Freshly ground ginger and garlic paste enters a giant stainless steel mixing vessel. Precision-controlled systems automatically add carefully measured food-grade ingredients.
Inside the giant vacuum mixer, powerful agitators blend every ingredient evenly while removing trapped air, creating a rich, smooth, and perfectly uniform ginger-garlic paste. The paste now passes powerful homogenizer, refining its texture into a smooth, creamy consistency while ensuring every pouch delivers the same premium quality.
The freshly homogenized paste enters a vacuum chamber. Trapped air is gently removed. This improves texture, product stability, and long-lasting freshness.
The approved ginger garlic paste is transferred into hygienic storage tanks, where gentle mixing maintains a smooth and consistent texture, until automatic packaging begins.
High-speed packaging machines convert food-grade laminated film into strong, stand-up pouches, perfectly prepared for hygienic filling. Before filling, every pouch passes through an automated sterilization system to ensure maximum hygiene and product safety.
Fresh ginger garlic paste is automatically filled into every pouch with remarkable speed and precision. Advanced filling technology ensures the exact weight in every pack, while maintaining complete hygiene.
Each pouch is securely sealed, fitted with a tamper-proof screw cap, and cooled before moving to the final quality inspection, ensuring freshness and leak-proof packaging. Every pouch undergoes automatic leak testing and advanced vision inspection. Only perfectly sealed, accurately filled, and defect-free products continue to the final packaging line.
Each pouch is permanently marked, with its manufacturing date, expiry date, batch number, and traceability code, allowing complete quality tracking throughout the product's journey. The pouches are automatically packed into cartons, sealed, and scanned. Robotic systems stack them onto pallets, ready for dispatch. Finally, they are loaded for nationwide distribution. After leaving the factory, every shipment is distributed through advanced logistics networks. The cartons are carefully stocked, where customers can purchase fresh ginger garlic paste, delivered quality to kitchen.
Now it's ready to use. Simply squeeze the desired amount directly into hot oil. Smith & Jones saves time and consistent flavor every time. Every pouch is crafted for convenience and quality.